So for those of you that follow me on Instagram know that I did recently get in an accident about a little over a week ago, and it did total the FC. So it was a dark back road, and short story, I was cut off and lost control and went into a ditch and hit a tree. So this car's taught me a lot, and it sucks to see it like this, but we're gonna come back. Had a lot of people searching for me and trying to find a shell and everything else, so everything's pretty much done for in this car, sadly. Frame is completely toasted underneath, so we're gonna get everything torn out of this car and get into a new one. So as you can see, I had to cut this out to get my Haltech harness out. Inside of here, the wheel got pushed in and pushed the whole firewall in. Underneath the frame is just completely buckled. Damage actually transferred all the way to the rear. Completely creased that. Subframe got smashed back. BC coil snapped up at the top. Bent inner tie rod. Bent the steering rack and everything else connected to the subframe. So everything else is salvageable other than the door and the body, and obviously the hood and the windshield. But I had a nice little surprise, and a couple of friends pitched in and got me this. This will be the new shell. I'm super grateful. They kind of tricked me. They were sending me another shell, and had me texting someone named Devin, which was not actually a person named Devin. It was actually Aaron. Her name is Aaron. That's who I was texting, but I didn't know that. So they brought me this, and I was expecting to come $600 out of pocket for a shell, and they did not. They didn't take anything from me. They didn't want anything. So I'm truly grateful. Got a lot of work to go. Super clean shell. So got many people, offering help and stuff. So I'm grateful for all of you two that are helping. We'll be back up and going soon. Still have some paint, so hopefully sometime soon, we'll get the car painted. If not, it's no big deal. Tons of parts just sitting in here. Dash was taken out. I took everything out. Just ready to be swapped over into there. Oh yeah, and by the way, thanks Aaron for drawing dicks all over my car, because they were waiting on me to get back from some training. So, but I'm gonna try to get some videos up on here and keep y'all guys updated. Follow my Instagram, Mr. T FC3S, space in between Mr. T and FC3S, and I'll be posting on there too. But I'm gonna try to keep this YouTube updated on the progress of the new build. So